I think it's awesome as well how you've laid out how you, I guess, developed the logic first for what is now loan options, and you only use the spreadsheet and you use Typeform. There's so
Yeah.
many different applications that could be used, right? Like for people listening and hey, I want to get into software, they could start with that first.
Yeah, start with MVP. It costs $0. It costs a lot of time to build the logic, of course, and tens of thousands of lines of formulas, nested formulas, and the amount of times I wanted to break my computer, like for sure. But yeah, it's a great, like you should always try and build your whatever product you think or whatever idea you have, build it to MVP and then test it in the real world. Like the best example or analogy I can use is like water always finds its level, right? If you leave it for long enough, it'll settle and you'll know what the water level is. But I know a lot of founders that do this. They have this great idea and they want to launch with like a product that's quite heavily feature rich and they get it wrong, because they overinvest before they figure out if there's actually something there or not. And my suggestion is launch with MVP. I think Fred Shabesta from Finder has the same methodology, and that was kind of the first time that it reinforced that for me. Just hearing him talk about it. Launch with the MVP, get it to the market, get it revenue generating. Once it's revenue generating for you, then it can fund the development.